When you will install Updatrr, you will see this tab. So here you will see all the abandoned carts, and you can change date from here, and I'll change to 7 days, and then you can send the reminders from here itself. So before sending the reminder, we need to choose a default template. So here there are two options. One is with coupon code and one is without coupon code. So let's enable without coupon code. Okay, and then we can send the reminder from here, and we can check the status of the message from here itself by refreshing it. So now I got this message on my phone, so that's why it is red. So I'll place order. Forward. So you will get all the details here. We can also send these notifications in one shot in bulk by selecting it from here, and then we can click the send button. So now we will talk about how to automate these notifications. So now let's see how we can automate these notifications. Let's go to WhatsApp automation tab. Here we can see there are 3 reminders we can send for abandoned cart. So in first reminder, so you can see there are 2 options. The first option is with coupon code and second option is without coupon code. So let's enable this without coupon code and set a timer, let's say after 5 minutes. Once the Shopify declare the cart as abandoned, so it will be sent. So we'll save this, and the same way we can enable the second reminder. Now let's send this reminder, second reminder, with coupon code after, let's say, 5 hours, and here you can enter the coupon code. So please make sure you create this coupon in Shopify. Then we'll save it, and we can also set third reminder. So currently I'll not set third reminder. And then we have these order related notifications. So first one is prepaid order. So here there are 2 options, one is with image and one is without image. So let's enable the first one with image. So whenever a new prepaid order is placed, this message will go to user with the product image he has purchased, with the order status URL. And now let's enable new COD order as well. So in COD order we have option to get the confirmation from user. So now here there are 2 options again. One is with the single button, confirm, and another is with 2 buttons, confirm and cancel. So whenever user confirms it, so we will get this information in Shopify orders. So we'll get a tag with confirmation. So let's enable the second one with confirm and cancel both. So once user confirms the order, then we can so this particular notification will be sent. So now here we can see there are 3 options. So first option is with pay now button. So in this way we can convert the COD order into prepaid order. So this pay now, when user will click on this pay now, the user will be sent to the Shopify checkout page, and user can make payment on Shopify itself. And in second template we have this additional text, and in third option so there is only order status URL, so there is no option to convert the order into prepaid. So let's enable the first one. And if a user cancels in this new order, whenever new COD order is placed, this particular message will go that we have received your cancellation request, and then we can enable it. And once the cancellation request is received, so it can be verified in backend, and then when actual order is cancelled from backend, this notification will go to user that this order is cancelled. And then we have fulfillment and tracking related notifications. So this first one is order fulfillment. So again, there are two options, one is with image and one is without image. Let's send it with image. So now, and second is order fulfillment with tracking. So whenever we fulfill the item in Shopify, so there's an option to put a tracking detail. So in case tracking detail has been entered while fulfilling the order, so that this track URL will go to the user, which will actually redirect to the courier tracking page. So we'll save this. And this is for partial fulfillment in case a user has ordered two items and we are fulfilling only one item, so this particular message will go. Again, this is another one is with tracking, and this is out for delivery in case your courier partner is updating this information in Shopify, so user will get this out for delivery notification with product image. And in same way, the delivered notification will go when an order is marked delivered in Shopify. And then we have payment and refund related notification. Whenever payment is received, this notification will go to user, and whenever any refund is initiated, so this will be delivered to the user. So now let's test this. Let's order this particular item. I have placed the COD order. Now let's wait for the notification. Yeah, I got the notification. So now I will confirm this order. And now check on the dashboard what is the status of this order. So here is the first one. See, you can see the Updatrr confirmed tag is there. So that's how we get the confirmation of the order.